So in the last 3 modules, we started building our Rocky Space game. We've added our moving backdrop, we've added our spaceship, and we've added obstacles, right? So this is what we have right now. And in this module, what we're going to do is to make sure that when the rock hits the spaceship, that means it's game over, right? Good. So we can come to spaceship, or actually, let's stay on the rocks. And then we just say events, when clicked, control forever. Now it's still going to be an if, right? Now it's going to be a sensing. So can you see this? If it's touching something. So if it's touching our spaceship, right? So if it's touching, not mouse pointer, if it's touching the spaceship, then what should happen? Now there's under control, there's this stop all. It's going to stop everything, right? So we can put this here, stop all. So if the rock is touching the spaceship, stop all. So let's do the same thing for this one. Actually, we could just copy it, duplicate, and paste it here, right? And then clean up. Good. So now let's play our game and make sure the rock hits us. So can you see that everything just stops? Your game stops. And you can create like a game over screen or something like that. We're going to leave that as an exercise for you to do. And then when it hits the spaceship, what do you want to do? How are you going to cause like an explosion? So you can say when the rock hits the spaceship, then change costume of the spaceship to an explosion or something like that. Or something we could do is, let's also have the when clicked, control forever. If we'll just do it for one of the rocks. So if touching rock, so if touching rocks. Oh no, I'm on. I should be doing this on spaceship. So let me put this on spaceship. I'm going to delete this. Spaceship, clean up. All right. So if touching rocks, then let's look at something in the looks. So maybe we can say boom or something like that. So let's say boom. Now we also need the same thing for rocks too. So let's see how that works now. Boom. So can you see that? Yeah, good. So, or you can create like different things to make it seem like your game has ended. You can have a game over screen, you can have a title screen and stuff like that. All right. So once you're done with your game, remember to save it and then you can share it, right? So let's share our game. And then remember at this point, you want to put like instructions for people to know how to play your game. So something like use left and right arrow keys to control spaceship, and then avoid obstacles, otherwise boom, right? And then you can add some notes or credits and things like that. So this is your game. Anybody that comes to this stage, to this site, will be able to play your game, right? So can you see that? And then of course it's really cool to play it in full screen mode, right? Nice. So here is your game. Now remember to add different effects, like maybe you want to add sound, or for those advanced users, you can add score, you can make it a multi-level game and things like that. So I hope you have enjoyed this introduction to Scratch course. It has been fun taking you through the introduction to Scratch, and I hope you look at our page for more courses, for more projects, and more challenges in Scratch and other programming languages. Thank you.